One of the first projects Richard and Michele Schultz tackled when they bought their split-level home in Brighton Township was a total kitchen redo. It helps that both are do-it-yourselfers, she a certified interior decorator and he a civil engineer. The renovation includes custom cabinets, stainless appliances from Frigidaire Pro Series, and industrial-style lighting fixtures. They chose a monochromatic gray palette that creates a crisp, sleek look. Michele made the relaxed Roman shade above the deep well basin. The kitchen features a breakfast nook and coffee bar. Herbs growing in ceramic containers are easily accessible. A conversation piece in the living dining area is a table Richard originally made as his wife's design work table. Now used as a dining table, its legs, made of industrial pipe, complement the look in the kitchen. The Schultz's kitchen is one of 5 to be featured September 29th as part of Touring and Tasting Delights, the annual kitchen tour hosted by the Beaver Valley branch of American Association of University Women. Reporting for TimesOnline.com, this is Marcia Kiefer.